Hi, this is Johan, your keyboard instructor. Today I'm going to show you how to play the most common tune in the world, Happy Birthday Song, so you can impress your friend at your next birthday party. So just follow my instruction and then just have fun. Yeah. First, I'm going to show you how to play more key of C. So which is so great about key of C is that you only get to use white key. So I'm gonna show you the simpler version of it. It's not as fancy, but it's gonna be able. You're gonna be able to play right away with it to your friends. So what you do is, I'm gonna play it first, and then I'm gonna explain it to you. It goes, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear so and so. Happy birthday to you. This involves with the three chords, which are C chords, G chords, and F chords. Okay. Now, how do you identify C chords? Basically, you identify two clutter of a black key, and there's a three black clutter of a black key. So you see two black keys here, and then you go one step down. That's a C. Of course, it's nice to know F as well, and then G. How do you know it's F and G? First, you find the C, and then alphabetical order D, E, F, G. All right, now you're gonna learn C chord. So we just learned the C note, and now it's a C chord. C chord would be, you put your thumb on the C, and then you put your middle finger after you skip the one white note to the second note from the first one, and then skip another one, and then so basically you're skipping one note between the fingers. And this is C chords. Left hand, of course, you're gonna use your thumb in the C, but that's all you have to do for right now. Okay, so this is a C chord. Now, if you just hold this same position and then slightly move one up, that's D chords, and then slightly move one up, that's E chords, and slightly move one up, that's F chords. And then you slightly move one up, G chord. So now all you have to just freeze your finger and just move to the left and right wherever the letter says, and then you put the song in the letter. And then you sing along as you go. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear so and so. Happy birthday to you. Okay, am I going too fast? Alright, let's try the slow version, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear so and so. Happy birthday to you. All right. Now this might sound a little simple to you, but you actually are playing a chord, and people are be able to sing along with it. And I mean, there is a few reason that you want to move on to the other chords as well as you kind of develop your skill, because this song is kind of high for a man. I have to kind of use a falsetto, but some people, girls would be able to follow because it's so pretty high. But we can transpose this is C chords to next is G chords. But once you go out of a C chords, there's gonna be black key that you have to mess with, and they'll be a little bit tricky, but you're gonna be able to learn the fundamentals. So for right now, just focusing on playing on C chords, C key chords. So C key chords. Basically, that involves a key of C, key of F, key of G, and sometimes exceptionally key of A minor. So most songs are constructed in the three chords plus four. So 4 chords, if you learn in each key, then you'll be able to play pretty much any songs. So pretty much that's for the lesson. And next, the lesson will be probably changing it to G chord, and then we'll be able to do. And after that, we're gonna learn also how do you kind of play. Like in the guitar, you'd be like, how do you strum? Now you learn the chords, but now how do you strum? And then there's a key also you can kind of change them around to make it a little more fancier. But the fundamentals there. All you have to the learning a basic skill is kind of important, and after that, you just add your personal flair, and then we'll be able to execute everything else. So hopefully you check out my next video. So feel free to just to add a comment or send me a direct message, and then we'll go from there. Thank you.